In the zone today is an international C605 Gen 12 natural gas standby generator. It has a rating of 85 kilowatts at 120/208 voltage. It only has 87.7 hours, it weighs 3,020 pounds, and its dimensions are 90 inches long, 40 inches wide, and 56 inches high. It runs at 1800 RPM. Tie into the stop-start function of this generator to supply reliable backup power in the case of a power outage. This generator is ideal for a variety of industrial, commercial, and agricultural applications such as construction sites, dairy farms, greenhouses, and processing plants. For more natural gas generators, visit powerzone.com. For more pumps, motors, engines, and PowerZone engineering capabilities, visit powerzone.com. Subscribe for more videos and get in the zone with PowerZone.